inside. You were here? I was looking you inside. Wait, was that a sheep?
You heard that right. Yes, this for you. I thought you'd like a new little friend.
Dad, is this really a sheep? Is it for me? I love it. It's so cute. Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Ezza. Now come on, Ezza. Let's take a picture with this sheep.
Why are you following me? Eat, baby sheep. Oh no, what happened to you? I saw you fell down from the tree. Promise I'll take care of you. You are hurt. Let me hold you. I'm taking the Budgie inside. The Budgie got hurt. Don't be scared, Budgie. You're safe now. I saw you fall. It must hurt you. I'm just going to put a bandage. I know. But stay still. Trust me. Okay? I'm just going to put a bandage. Here you go. You need your strength. That's it. You are being so brave. Eat slowly. You're safe now. Hey, Budgie, is my watching time. Watching cartoon. You can't watch cartoon. You have to go to sleep. Good morning, Budgie. Your wings looks better now. I want you to fly again. Let me open the window. Closing my eyes. 1, 2, 3. I'm coming. I know where are you. I will find you. What is this? The bush is moving. I found you, my white Baba. I found you, Mimi.
Is a place out in the yard. Sunshine shining soft and warm. Budgie chirps a happy tune. Lamb jumps high, looking so sweet.
Silly Papa Sheep. It was not a goat.